Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 8th of July 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened lower and traded mostly flat, with a negative bias till around 2 p.m., after which a steep correction was witnessed. The NSE index closed lower by 2.12% or 516.65 points at 23,882.05. The correction seen today was mostly due to Trump's remarks indicating ending of the MOU with Iran, the resultant spike in crude oil prices, weak global cues, and a weak rupee. All sectors ended in the red, with chemicals, FMCG, banking, and financial services correcting around 2.5% each. Volatility for the index witnessed a massive spike. Following today's correction, levels need to be adjusted higher, with supports now being at 23,800, followed by 23,645, while resistances may be placed at 23,935, followed by 24,055. For tomorrow, crude oil prices will come back into focus once again in order to determine the next moves for Nifty. The spike in crude prices may result in an increase in global inflation, which in turn increases chances of a rate hike in the US as well as in India. This may result in adding onto the selling pressure in the short term. Traders may observe crude prices in the interim, with a further spike affecting the index negatively, while a correction may result in a recovery. Nifty may witness bullish momentum intensify above 24,480, while a break below 23,400 could lead the index to correct further. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex fell by 2.15% or around 1,677 points to close at approximately 76,504. Levels for the BSE index may be adjusted lower as well, with supports now being at 76,780, followed by 76,085, while resistances may be placed at 76,915, followed by 77,280. Sensex may become more bullish above 78,385, while a break below 75,790 could cause the bears to dominate. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices shot up today and is currently trading in the green with huge gains. As compared to yesterday, Trump's announcement that the MOU with Iran has now ended after recent escalations in the Middle East has caused said spike, adding to uncertainty at the energy counter. Correspondingly, volatility for the commodity has shot up sharply. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted upwards, with supports now being at 7,095, followed by 7,000, while resistances will be at 7,200, followed by 7,290. For today, crude oil may be expected to show extremely volatile moves, with prices expected to be bullish. Renewed tensions in the Middle East, which may result in further conflict between Iran and US and its allies, and the subsequent closure of the Strait of Hormuz once again will cause prices to rise once again. Traders may go for a buy-the-dip approach with strict stop losses. If crude oil breaches 7,650 on the upside, further bullish momentum may be expected, while a break below 6,425 may lead to the bears taking over. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Nuvama and Cushman and Wakefield's Prime Offices Fund has achieved its final close at 4,000 crore rupees after receiving strong investor interest. The fund has already committed around 45% of its capital and plans to continue investing in high-quality office assets across India. Maruti Suzuki has commissioned a 1 megawatt-hour battery energy storage system at its Kolkata manufacturing plant as a pilot project. The initiative aims to improve energy efficiency, optimize power management, and support the company's sustainability goals. Axis Bank shares slipped after reports emerged of several senior executives resigning from key leadership positions. While the exits have raised investor concerns, the bank has not indicated any impact on its operations or business strategy. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3:15 p.m., Mr. Sanjay Ji will be conducting a webinar on the topic EMA Scalping Masterclass Strategy. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Decode Nifty and Bank Nifty every morning, the first 30 minutes strategy for consistent high probability trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Master Option Greek Strategies. Trade smarter with Delta plus Theta plus Vega plus Gamma. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.